So with all the fantastic MCU sets that have come out this year, it's easy to overlook one important fact. Igor has returned. I've been upgrading the original periodically ever since he first came out, and now we have a new version to fix up. So this guy is a lot sleeker than the original, and honestly takes care of a lot of the problems that the original had, except for one thing. If you move the arms, you can still see the minifigure inside. So in order to fix Igor, I decided to do some research to make him as accurate as possible by watching a supercut of every single Igor scene in MCU, which was 13 seconds long. But seeing the shape of Igor's body in that clip reminded me of a certain piece, which I thought would be great for completely sealing away a minifigure inside the suit. So I started by replacing the legs, and then built up the connectors for the arms and the head, which allowed it to swing open for a minifigure. I'll be honest, I really prefer the original Iron Man helmets, but in this case I designed the cockpit around the new piece, which is just a little bit taller. That way you can put in whichever version of the Iron Man minifigure that you want. The head ended up being a lot bulkier than I'd like, but I think it was worth it because now you can fit a minifigure inside, even if apparently that's not necessary. No one pilots Igor but Igor himself. He has his own strong, independent Iron Man suit, and you better remember that, boy. Okay. We got that cleared up. Also, you'll have to excuse some of the colors that I used here, but they are hidden away with the arms in place, and the reason why I used those colors was because they come in the set, so it's fewer pieces that you have to use from your own collection or try to hunt down in Bricklink. So I'll put a part list in the description so you guys can mod Igor as well if you want. I'll be honest though, I didn't really expect Igor to be this much of a recurring character on this channel, so let's see how long it takes before we get to the Igor Mark V. Or is this already Mark V? Is the next one going to be Mark 6? Mark 7? Mark 8? I don't know, I guess we'll see. Alright, that is it for now. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, do all that other good stuff, and we will see you next time.